Great vision without great people is irrelevant. This is the statement of a famous speaker, consultant, and researcher Jim Collins. In the context of HRD, what is exactly mean by this statement? So this statement means any organization can't achieve their great vision if they don't have effective, efficient, and right people for the right job. So what it's exactly HRD does? So HRD does HRD makes people great. HRD makes people efficient, effective for their jobs. So hi everyone, my name is Rahul Kumar Sharma from BBM third year batch role 2. Today the I will be presenting my presentation on the topic of HRD concept. So what is exactly mean by HRD? So HRD simply means, you can say, it's a continuous developmental process of increasing capabilities of individual, teams, and organization in effective and efficient way. Uh, it's a ongoing HRD is a ongoing process, not it's a occasional process. It basically focuses on skill improvement, enhancing the knowledge of employees, and increasing the capability, increasing the competency of uh, employees. And also it focuses on improving the behavior and attitudes of employees. Now we will move on to the next point. In this point, we will talk about the objectives of HRD. So there are mainly three objectives in HRD. Number one, as you can see, improving the performance of individuals. Then second, improving the performance of teams. Then and the last one is improving the performance of organization. So we as an HRD manager, how we can improve the performance of individuals in effective and efficient way. So we what we will do, we will develop skills based on their job role, based on their roles. We will enhance their knowledge, we will improve their attitudes and behavior. So these after after doing these things, we can improve individuals performance. If the individual performance will improve, then automatically uh, team's performance will start improving. When team's performance will start improving, then automatically the organization performance will improve. Now we will uh, move on to the next point. In this point, we will talk about we will go through the function of HRD. So we as an HRD manager, what what in this slide we will talk about concept function of HRD. The number one is providing skill input to apprentices and trainees. So HRD manager try to provide skills and knowledge based on their roles. And the second one is identifying training needs and imparting training. So an HRD manager try to identify uh, their needs of the employees and try to fulfill their needs. Next, we have outside deputation for competency enhancement. So here there is a new word, deputation, which means deputation means transfer of a role from one organization to another organization, you can say. So or an HRD manager try to provide additional skills, knowledge, and experience, so that whoever employees going in another organization, they will they could survive in that organizations. Now we have fourth point, competency mapping. Competen- Competency mapping means identify understanding the skills, knowledge, and behavior of employees, uh, so that they so that identify uh, skills, knowledge, and sorry. Thank you, sir. Thank you.